Really? You have to be... Oh. Really fast? Your dog ran really fast? Oh, you're so fast. Oh, naka 9,000 na tayo. Siguro 10,000 na ngayon. So can we put your bike away now? Not yet. Yeah. Okay, are you playing it in the morning?
Yeah.
Really? Okay. What's the name of your horse? What's the name of your horse? What's the name of your horse? Does your horse have a name?
Yeah.
Abigail?
How about Jersey?
No, Jelana.
Jelana.
Oh, your horse name's Jelana. Oh, hi, Jelana.
How about Jewel?
Winnie.
And Winnie. Jelana and Winnie. Good job.
You were gay.
How about Jewel?
You were gay.
Jet?
Yeah.
Oh, it fell.
You were my appa.
Yeah.
Every two you have to do appa. Double hat to walk. I want you to.
Jelana Jr. Oh, Jelana Jr. Ayan, naka 12,000 na tayo. Thank you.
Hi, Dad.
Uy, Chay, 32 months. Salamat. Faith talaga, ha? Faith. Salamat, Chay. Ayan. Sa mga kasama natin ng 3 years na. 3 years na tayo, guys. Uy, charot. 3 years. Magtatatlong taon na tayo magkakasama. Sa awa ng Diyos, no? Wow. Oh, thank you din. Thank you. Wala naman akong blessing kung wala kayo. Salamat. Salamat din sa support. Sa walang sawang pagpapanood kay Jelana. Jelana. How you say your name? Jelana. How do you spell your first name? Jelana. Okay, are you gonna go biking again? Yeah. Oh, invisible dog? Oh. Invisible dog. I thought you have invisible dog. Ay, Jelana. Ewan ko dyan. Baka Ilocano accent kaya yan, Chay. Where you going? Malamang Ilocano accent yan. Hey, what's going on?
What? No.
Are you guys fighting? Are you guys fighting? Jade?
No, fighting! I'm not touching a baby anymore. I'm not touching a baby.
You're not a baby anymore?
I'm not touching a baby anymore.
No, you don't. You're a big girl.
I'm not touching a baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm disappointed.
No, come here. No. Your friends are here.
No.
No, we don't. The girls.
Hey, you're breaking here. You're breaking here.
Are you guys fighting, anak?
Give me tea. So I take it. Tea hot dog.
Where you going?
Today. I did do hot dog.
You gonna say like, subscribe now?
No.
Okay, then don't go upstairs yet.
Why?
They're doing something there. They're studying.
No, leave me tea.
Oh, naka 15,000 na tayo.
Okay, Mom.
Yeah, we'll just stay here if you wanna still play with your friends.
What?
Oh, Jelana. Oh. Ayan, naka 15,000.